Hello and good evening. So, if you are not able to clear FM in the June 2023 exam, here is the video which is suggestive of a strategy which you can use to clear the exam in September 2023 exam. So, on the right side, you can see an extract of contents from the Kaplan study text. If you have followed this, or even the BPP, more or less, this is going to remain the same. The first thing which you have to do with FM revision or how to take up FM again. The first thing is divide the syllabus into proper segments. For example, in FM, what directly you can do is from chapter number 2 to chapter number 6, this is investment appraisal. Mark it as group 1. So, this is your group 1 investment appraisal. So, investment appraisal becomes your one group which you have to attain. Then let working capital be your group 2. This is working capital. This is your group 2. Then comes risk management. I will suggest that do this portion at the end. So let this be the last group. I term it as risk management. Then comes your capital structure, cost of capital, financial ratios, and chapter number 20, business valuations. I term it as group 3, capital structure. So this is group 3. Now we have 4 groups here. Why I said last group is you can create another group to cover up the theory separately. That means there will be a group number 5, right? So let me just rename this as group number 4. Group 5 will relate to all the theory chapters. Theory chapters means chapter number 1, then comes chapter number 11, chapter number 12, then comes chapter number 15, which is extremely important and especially Islamic finance. Then comes dividend policy. These all should be clubbed under group 5. So again, I'll say group 1 relates to investment appraisal, group 2 working capital, group 3 capital structure, cost of capital and business valuations, group 4 risk management, and group 5 should be related to all theory chapters. Now let's create and allocate some number of days to all of them. Let the first one be, okay, let me just mention groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 groups here, and on these 5 groups, I'll just mention the main head. Group 1 is investment appraisal. Then comes working capital. Then comes capital structure, cost of capital, ratios, and business valuations. Then group 4th is risk management, and last is all the remaining theory chapters. So now we are left with only one task. We have approximately 40 days to trigger the September exam. Now in 40 days, how should you go? How many days should be allocated to investment appraisal? How much days should be given to working capital? Let's just finalize that also. So with investment appraisal, you should allocate 5 days in total. Max to max you can do is 6 days. These 6 days will include doing all the exam kit questions as well. That means grasping the concept from the study text plus the exam kit. 6 days maximum. Then for working capital, you should not give more than 3 days or max to max 4 days. Capital structure should not take 4 days. Risk management should be done in 3 days and theory part should also be done in 3 days. Now let's just see the total of all these, and we have 20 days here. Have good amount of time now. Let's increase some number of days now to these chapters. I can increase investment appraisal by 1 more day. Working capital can be increased by 2 more days, which includes revising them by study text as well as the concept as well as the exam kit. Capital structure, we can give 5 days. Risk management can be given 5 days, and theory is still okay to be given 3 days. Now again, we have reached 26 days. So ideally, in max to max 30 days, you should be able to get back to your FM syllabus revision. Now, whatever days would be left, how to utilize them? Last 10 days must be utilized to practice randomly. That means section A, choose 15 questions from various topics. Ensure that you are covering up risk management here, then business valuations here, investment appraisal, as well as working capital. So you are covering these 15 questions from all the syllabus areas. Likewise, daily you have to do 2 section B questions from different sections, and at least 2 section C questions again from different sections. And groups means if one question you have done from working capital in section C, then let section B related to risk management, or let it be related to working capital. Working capital, if it is in section C, don't take in section B. Then it has to be investment appraisal, or maybe you can take capital structure. Even theory question will work. But whatever, the point is last 10 days should be allocated to random practicing. Because when the students say that we get mixed up with topics, this problem is completely dealt with by mixing up the questions and practicing them. And remember, do not skip giving mocks this time. For sure, September, you will find your way of success. Hope you will find this video helpful. If there is any question, please feel free to write that in the comment section. Thank you so much and take care.